Welcome to the spoken tutorial on import and export images in LibreOffice Draw. In this tutorial, you will learn to import images into a draw page and to save a draw file into various file formats. We can import and export both vector and bitmap or raster images in Draw. Here we are using Ubuntu Linux version 10.04 and LibreOffice Suite version 3.3.4. Let us open the file routemap. For the purposes of this tutorial, JPEG file of the water cycle drawing has already been created and saved on the desktop. Let us import this image into our draw file. Let's close this image. First, select the page where you want to import the picture. Let's insert a new page and select it. To import vector or bitmap images, click on the Insert tab and select Picture. Then click From File. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Let us now select Watercycle JPEG. If we click on Open, the image will be embedded physically into our draw file. If we check the link box here, then the image will be linked by the path. Let us click on Open. A message appears saying that the image will only be stored as a link. Click Keep Link. The picture is inserted as a link in the draw file. Links can also be removed easily. Go to the main menu, select Edit, and then click Link. The Edit Links dialog box appears. This dialog box lists all the links in the draw file. Click on the link for the picture water cycle. Click Break Link. Draw will display a confirmation message. Click Yes. The link is removed. Now click on the Close button. But you will notice that the picture is still present in the file. When you break a link, the picture is automatically embedded in the draw file. Let's delete this picture now. Select the picture and press the Delete button. Here is an assignment for you. Create two draw files. Insert an image in one file and save it. Embed an image in another file and save it. Compare both the file sizes. In the file in which you link the image, change the size of the image. Check if the change is reflected in the original file. Next, let's import the water cycle diagram directly into this file as a draw image. From the main menu, click Insert and select File. The Insert File dialog box opens. From the list, select the draw file watercycle.odg. Click Open. The Insert Slides Objects dialog box appears. Click on the plus sign next to the file path. You will see a list of the slides. Let us select Slide 1 with the water cycle diagram. You can also insert the page or the object as a link. To do this, simply click the Link check box. Click OK. A confirmation dialog box appears asking if the objects should be fit to the new format. Click Yes. The slide is inserted into the file in a new page. Next, we shall learn to export images from Draw. Exporting a file in Draw means to convert a draw file or a page of the draw file or an object in a draw file to a different file format. For example, the draw file can be converted to a PDF, HTML, JPEG, or a bitmap file. The file formats PDF, Flash, and HTML always export the whole draw file. Let's minimize the routemap file. Do you wonder how we converted the draw water cycle diagram to the JPEG format? Let me demonstrate how it was done. Open the file Watercycle. Then, from the Pages panel, select the page with the watercycle diagram. From the main menu, click File and select Export. The Export dialog box appears. Let us enter the name Watercycle Diagram in the File Name field. From the Places panel, browse and select Desktop. In the File Type field, we will select the option JPEG, but you can save the draw file in any format you want. Check the selection checkbox. Click Save. JPEG Options dialog box appears. Let's keep the default option that are selected in this dialog box. Click OK. The draw page with the watercycle diagram is saved as a JPEG on the desktop. Here only one page from the draw file is converted to a JPEG file. If you save in PDF, Flash or HTML formats, then all the pages in the draw file will be exported. We can also edit raster images in Draw. Raster images can be formatted using the Format menu. You can also use the Picture toolbar to edit these pictures. This brings us to the end of the tutorial on LibreOffice Draw. In this tutorial, you have learned to import and export images and to save draw objects into various file formats. Here is an assignment for you. Individual objects or a group of selected objects can also be exported. Convert only the clouds and the mountain from the watercycle draw file into JPEG format. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.